Be humble enough to know you aren't better than anyone, but wise enough to know that you're different from the rest. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later, a collection of mistakes is called experience, which leads to success. The people who ask the most from you are the people who do the least for you. If you want a thing done well, do it yourself. Sometimes you just have to appreciate where you are. You came a long way, and you're still learning and growing. Be proud of yourself. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. The faster you do the things you avoid, the faster you get the good things you want. Accept the things you cannot change, and change the things you cannot accept. You may be the only person left who believes in you, but it's enough. Expectation always hurts. So expect less or no expectations from others. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. You'll ruin your life trying to make everyone happy. Blessed is he that expects nothing, for he shall never be disappointed. Be not afraid of moving slowly. Be only afraid of standing still. Be patient and tough. Someday this pain will be useful to you. The greatest challenge in life is discovering who you are. The second greatest is being happy with what you find. When you laugh, people laugh with you. When you cry alone. Stop trying to make everyone love you. You need enemies to succeed. A man must be big enough to admit his mistakes and strong enough to correct them. If you're willing to sacrifice what you want most for what you want now, then your future will always be filled with disappointment. Work at your job and make a living. Work on yourself and make a fortune. First it hurts, then it makes you stronger. If it keeps you happy, keep it quiet. Most people are only nice when things don't matter. If a married woman bites her lower lip in front of you, it means she wants you. People don't decide their future. They decide their habits, and their habits decide their future.